Good morning everybody. We are off, out and about. I've got a day off work. It's about a week and a half before Christmas and I've not been out for about a month. So I thought, sod it, I'm going out. So where we're going today is on some particularly slippery and slimy and nasty roads, is TTT Motorcycle Village out near Sudbury. They've got quite an eclectic mix of bikes and some cars as well, I think. So yeah, looking forward to having a look at that. They've got like a range, quite a large range of kit as well, and a cafe, which can't be bad. So yeah, at the moment we're just sort of travelling through Haverhill down in Suffolk, which some of you may not know, but 3 of the Nolan sisters used to live here in the late 80s. Like a small little terraced house. In fact, I think it was that one. They all lived together in the one house, Doreen, Noreen and Mary Jane. I think their mother used to work there at that car wash and that for a while they were being put through school. So yeah, that was sort of before they made the big time. Let's see, there's quite a few sort of stars that used to live around this way. I'll see if I can remember where they lived and maybe point out where they lived. But yeah, there you go, the Nolan sisters, 3 of them anyway, used to live in Haverhill, down here in Suffolk. There's a Greenpeace flag hanging off that house. I don't think that was anything to do with anyone famous. Yeah, so here we go, we're just coming into Haverhill. We're trying out a new way of operating the camera today. We've got a little remote on the handlebar. Hopefully that's going to switch it on and off as I need it. I'm trying to get things sorted out because I know it's a long way off, but next September I've got planning on doing the North Coast 500. So I've already got a couple of the hotels booked, the start and the finish, and also the first night they're booked. So yeah, I'm just going to go up there, try and do it in about 5 days, which I think should be enough time. I'm not going to have a lot of time to sort of wander around and see lots of things, but hopefully I'll be able to take in some of the attractions. But I am doing it on my own, so I won't have sort of anyone else to worry about, or to have to do what they want. I can sort of do what I want, which yeah, it should be good. Got to admit, it would be nice to have somebody to share it all with, but yeah, I'm afraid with the best will in the world, I don't think my wife could do 5 days and 500 miles on a pillion, and I wouldn't expect her to. But if it's fantastic, if I love it, then hopefully we'll go back up there and do it in the car. So hopefully she's not going to miss out too much. Yeah, so yeah, really looking forward to that. I'm going to take minimal stuff. So what I can fit in my larger tank bag, that's what I'll be taking. So I do want to get this, like the camera sorted out so that I'll get some decent footage. puddles of mud in the centre of the road. You'll have to watch that, because that will have you off. Nice. Don't know what that was. Something hit the visor. Do have to watch it on some of these bends. Got caught out last year, nearly got caught out. I ran over those, like the mud pile in the middle of the road on the way down to Cromer, and both wheels went, bike slid completely sideways, my front and back wheels sliding sideways, and yeah, by sheer luck it found a bit of tarmac and gripped and came back. Yeah, that was a very close call, that one. Well, the old bike's certainly going to need a wash when I get back. Yeah, that's all part of it, isn't it? Little Yeldham. Here we go. Nice little church. Looks quite old as well, that. Yeah, that's all part of it. I think there's an awful lot of people that sort of come the end of September, they sort of put the bikes into hibernation and don't use them then until the following April, which is fine, that's all well and good, but I just love riding, so I will try and get out as often as I can if they get a bit muddy or a bit dirty, then you can wash them. It's not the end of the world. I mean, we would obviously do try and keep them as nice as possible. But yeah, just as you can see, the roads are a bit slimy. And thinking about it, might have been better just to go on the A14 and go all the way around to Sudbury, but that's basically a motorway, and motorways are bloody boring. If you went on the motorway, you wouldn't get to see little villages like this. Telephone box converted into a library. There's a lot of those you see here in the UK. We're not actually that far from TTT now, we're only about 10 minutes or so. So it says. So, a hot cup of tea and some lunch. I've forgotten to change my clock, and it's saying it's 1:30, but it's not actually, it's 12:30. So, yeah, oh look, water. Yeah, this wasn't in the plan. There we go. Oh well. Maybe a bit more of a clean now. was wondering about this actually before I set out this morning on this route, about whether there was any flooding on these roads, because we've had an awful lot of rain, and I'm in fifth. And yeah, these roads do get a bit flooded at times. In the middle of nowhere. So just take it a bit easy. Thorpe. Not one I've ever heard of. Stay where you are. It's a bit more of a fiddly route, but I think it's better than going down the A14. Well, better, more interesting, we'll say that. Just take it easy. Do not want to be dropping the bike. Oh, right, so there it says it's about a minute away. It's been a fairly uneventful little ride through some wet, slimy and muddy lanes, but there we go. So it just gives me an excuse to wash the bike now, doesn't it? Don't want to get down there. Could it be down there? Actually, it might be. It didn't look right to me, but I think it probably was. We'll go that way. Bulmer Road Industrial Estate, yeah, that probably sounds right, doesn't it? Have a look. Yes, there we go. Is there any parking? Visitor and cafe parking. Don't know. Shall we have a look? I think what we'll do, we'll put it out here on the road. I think that car looks like it's going to move. Okay then, ladies and gents, thank you very much for watching. Hope it hasn't been too bad for you. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.